How to find recently watched videos on Facebook. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, launch your Facebook application. Then tap on the menu bar. After that, go to settings and privacy. Now, go to settings. After that, in your activity, tap on activity log. Now, search for the videos. Go to videos watched. Now all the videos that you watched recently will appear over here. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.